Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use PageFly thoroughly. Now, to start off, this is your free PageFly. Now, if you want to, you can check the analytics to check if you have any conversion rate, product views, if you've sold anything, etc. So this is your analytics page. Your dashboard is anything that you can use, any of the Spotify themes that you might want to use, and your recent pages you have created. Now, if you want to add any pages, you go to your pages, pick any of the pages that you wish. Let's say I want a home page, create from a template, and you can pick any of the home pages. So if I want a landing page, I can check landing page. If I want a blog post page, if I want an integration, if I want a FAQ and policy page, it tells you all of the pages and you can create them. From here, you can also create sections. And by creating a section, you create it your own. It is your own work rather than creating it from a template. You create it yourself, so you can start to add a Shopify element from your Shopify store into your section. Now, you also have add-ons, which are just applications or anything that you would want to add into your PageFly. Any integrations, which means if your Shopify store is integrated with your PageFly, you can press here. If you want anything else to be integrated with your Shopify and your PageFly, you just press on this button. Referral programs. So if you want to invite someone to your to PageFly and they create a store, you get a 1 coin. Trash, if you want to delete anything or any of the chats, or settings if you want to manage anything of your account and etc. And this is how you can use PageFly. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.